At Owen Equipment, we're jetting sewers and storm lines quite a bit. And with that comes a problem of the microbes and the germs that are coming back up through the systems that you're returning to the truck with on the hose, the rotor hose. And you're getting it on yourself and around the community on the manhole. So Vanguard is a company that we represent and add their products to the Vector trucks. And I'd like to take a quick second to show you a few of the features that would be involved in that process. First of all, since I'm standing by the rotor hose and I'm talking about it, this obviously is a nice clean one, but once the truck's been out in use, there's a lot more material on it. Here's where they keep the holder for the hose cleaning device, which is a collar, slips around the rotor hose, which is down in the sewer or the stormwater, and then you clip it around there and you allow it to hang in the manhole. When it's down in that manhole, it's below grade, and we're going to turn on the water system with the microbial solution that they use to decontaminate it. And it's over here on this side. This Vanguard Pathogen machine is used with the Vector. It's being added into the water that's going through the system. And this is putting it out of the little collar and rinsing the hose off as it comes back into the truck, onto the truck. So as I'm running that reel back in, I'm turning on this machine, I've turned it on, and up front, I can control the flow and I can allow it to rinse off and completely decontaminate the reel and the hose as it comes back. Up here is a handgun reel, which I'll hook a handgun to this, and I can spray off all the tools, the manhole, the rim, my boots, whatever I happen to get contaminated, I can decontaminate it with that solution. This is the tank you put the solution in, and this is the machine that pumps it into the hose reel and to the reel up front. A lot of people are investing in this because it's allowing another idea to keep the community safer, their workers safer, and at the end of the day, it just makes sense.